Hey guys, welcome back to Rabbit Hole Hobbies. I'm Sam. Today I'm going to be trying to cut glass bottles with fire and ice water. I've seen a few different methods of this, but basically you just take some string and soak it in something like rubbing alcohol and then tie really tight around the bottle, light it on fire, and when it gets hot enough, you dunk it in the ice water and it makes a clean cut. I have a few projects that I think would be pretty cool to do with glass that I can cut like this, so hopefully this works out. I have all these different sized, shaped, and colored bottles that I would like to try making different cuts with. And then I also have scissors and a lighter, some cotton blend to tie around, something to put the alcohol in to soak the string, and of course, my sunglasses, because safety first, you don't want to get anything in your eye. Believe me, it's not worth it. Before I get to any of these fancy cuts I want to try, I'm just going to try doing a simple cut to get the neck off a bottle to make something that looks like a drinking glass, and then dunk it over here in my bucket of ice water. So hopefully we can get this done, and let's get at it and see what we can do. So I did try it with this string first, but it has some kind of a coating on it. I think it's waxy or something, and surprisingly it didn't burn. So I did have to go get the other cotton stuff, so we don't need that. The first thing we're gonna try is this green glass bottle, and this is actually the bottle I tried it on before, but it didn't work. And we're gonna take this cotton blend stuff that I got before and tie a couple wraps around it. I don't think you wanna get too many layers wrapped around it, or else the heat gets spread too much and you might get an uneven cut. Not that I'm an expert, I have never done this before, but here we go. So first you wanna figure out where it's going and tie it around nice and tight. And we're just gonna cut this extra bits off so they don't catch fire. And then slide the string off the bottle and soak it in the rubbing alcohol. Once it's been soaking in there for, I don't think it takes too long to get it all absorbed. I'm gonna take it back out, slide it back onto the bottle, right to where we want to make the cut. Grab the lighter, light it on fire, and we're gonna roll the bottle to get the heat dispersed evenly. Not really sure how long to do this for, but I'm gonna give it a bit of time. Oh, the fire's out, so. Didn't work. Oh, we'll try again. This time we're gonna do 4 loops. Hopefully that'll work. Get it in there. I don't know if maybe we didn't soak this long enough, but I think we did. And that's gotta be enough, it's gripping. Oh, it got all tangled though. Ain't no breaking. Maybe we'll try a different bottle, a bigger bottle. Yeah, we did it. We got a break. Look at that. It's not too clean, but how exciting. After, I don't know how many tries, probably 6 or 7 tries, I finally got it to break. Now that we have success with that, and I think I have the method, the way that I finally got to do, I don't know if it's maybe because I tried the bottle 3 times pretty close to each other, so maybe it just got really, really hot. But the last time I ended up wrapping the string around it, like you saw, like 8 or 9 times, because I didn't think that the fire was lasting long enough to really get it hot enough. So I think that's the key. So we're gonna try some cool stuff now and see how many different things we can get broken. Now for this one, I'm not gonna be able to take the string back off, so I am just gonna dunk it. Try again. Well, I've tried this part around here, I don't know, 6 or 7 times at least, and I have had 0 luck, which is unfortunate, because I was really excited about that. So we're gonna take this string off, give this bottle a rest, and move on to the next. So after trying several different bottles of different size, shape, and color, and in various spots on those bottles, I only had success with one bottle, and I'm not really sure what the deciding factor was. Maybe the glass was thinner, because I repeated the process that worked with that on a few other bottles, and I had no luck. So I just gotten off the phone with one of my experiment advisors, and we decided that we probably weren't getting enough heat. So I'm gonna try again. I've made some more ice, and I'm gonna use a hair dryer to try and heat the glass up before I put the string on, so that more heat will be able to go from the fire into the glass, and hopefully that'll help with the process. So we're gonna try that again and then see if that works. So far, no luck. Okay, we're gonna try this square glass bottle now. Preheating and then burning and dunking. Nope. We'll do this one again though. Nothing again. We're gonna do this one more time because I heard a little bit of a noise, I think. And last but not least, I'm gonna try this one and see how that one goes. So there you have it. After trying 5 or 6 different bottles multiple times at different places with a few different techniques, I only managed to get one glass to cut, and I mean, it's super jagged and there's stress lines everywhere. You can see this one, even another piece is broken off and fallen into the bottle. And I mean, look at these stress lines. I watched a few videos on this when I got the idea, and then after it wasn't working, I went and I looked at a few articles and watched a bunch more videos on people doing this, and they make it look so simple. And I can tell you, of all the videos I've watched, I'm doing everything the same way as them, and it is not working. So I don't think this actually works. I'm not really sure what I'm doing wrong. If you do know what I'm missing, please let me know, because I would love to be able to do this, because as I said at the beginning, I have a few ideas that would be super cool to be able to follow through with if I could get this glass to cut this way. Hopefully you found that interesting and helpful if you're gonna try it yourself. Remember, if you are gonna try it, to be super careful, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you found this interesting. Check out some of my other videos and you'll probably find something you like. See you guys again next time.